these are the 2 bolts you want to remove to drop this column down. Alright, I'm going to show you sort of how this switch works. As you can see, I got the key in there, and there's this little rod here that's attached to it. So when you turn your key, it actually just pushes that rod. It's kind of hard to get the cover in there, but I'll try to get a shot where you can see it. You can actually see that little slide in that switch moving back and forth. And when they separate like that, they lose contact. So in this case, it's making contact on the start, but when I let off in the run position, it's not making contact anymore, and that's why the truck's dying out. Alright, the new one's been installed. I didn't film that because it's pretty straightforward. Alright, now let's check to see if we actually have voltage to the coil. I've got the red lead on the positive terminal, and boom, we have voltage. Let's try it. She's running. So I got it running, but it's running on about 4 or 5 cylinders. So I decided to pull these spark plugs out, and I think it's safe to say she's running a little on the rich side. So we're going to try to clean those because I don't have a set with me. I'll probably have to pick the set up later. Alright, plugs have been cleaned. Let's see if that helped. Just a quick look at the old ignition switch. This is basically what it looks like, and it had separated, basically looked like that when it was mounted in there on the column. So those little contacts in there, they were contacting in the start position, but as soon as you let off the key and that slide would kick back, those contacts wasn't making contact anymore. But here's the part number for it, 21S89. I just got this from O'Reilly's, it's like $25. But yeah, she's running. As you can see, fires right up. So she's good to go. But I want to thank you guys for watching. If you found this content helpful, hopefully it helped somebody out, consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a great day.